Okay, I'm looking at the listing of, in fact, other retail establishments here. And we've already seen before how we generate the listing with the location and the phone number. But now there are some additional things down here, and these are the interactive add-ons. And this is what makes your app very, very useful, because they're very simple to use. Look for things like this wherever you can find them, because this is what will make your app succeed. People will enjoy it. The amount of benefit that they get for a single mouse click the ratio is quite good. So what you can do here is you can add to my pics, and you will find you also can remove something. Now, you saw when we added a pic to the system, we automatically added it to my list of pics. In other words, to the list of pics for the person who was adding it, because that sort of makes sense. Instead of asking people to add a pic and then go back and add it to their own list of pics. No, it's a one-step process. But now other people can look at it and they can add that pic to their own pics. That's the heart of an app like this. And they also can flip it around and remove it from their pics. So we have some interactivity there. If this were a different type of app where you're rating things or soliciting reviews, you might add and remove and allow people to say why. And we don't implement that, although the database supports it. Then we have two ways of sharing information. One is through email and through the profile, and the other is by inviting friends to use the app and get in on the picture. This is where you directly create a viral event. So let's take a look at Let's Friends Know. Here you see that what I've got here, this is prepared by Facebook. I've provided some of the information that, like this text up here, but I don't draw this. Facebook does it. Now, I can filter friends. I can say I want this friend or that friend, or I can start typing a name. And here you can see down here, this is highlighted. This one is now highlighted. However I want to do that, and I can then come down and invite people to use the app by typing in email addresses. And once I've done that, for instance, let me finish this one, I can say, and I'm allowed only a certain number, by the way, I can now send this invitation and move on. And right away what I have done is I've sent some information here to friends about using this app because I think it would be interesting for them. Now, this is what they are going to see. And what I have done is I have generated this code automatically. This is generated by Facebook. It picked up my name, the name of the app, and then something that I have put inside that invitation when I coded it. And you'll see how to do this. And the person who receives it can then add the app or ignore it. That person also can add a personal message saying, you know, so this is virality in action. This is what the other person will receive. An invitation generated by Facebook up here. This text is generated by me as the user, and this text is generated by the app developer. And they have a choice of adding it, the application, or ignoring it. If I'm happy with this, I can then send it.